Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video tutorial I am going to teach you how to create a blog and how to create backlinks in it. First of all, you have to log into the platform. Here I am using Medium and you can use any other platform if you want. Now let's first go to Medium through medium.com. In medium.com you can sign in or create your account through clicking on the sign in button. In sign in, you are provided with five options to sign in your account. If you don't have an account, you can click on create one to create an account. And the five options are sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook, sign in with Apple, sign in with Twitter, and sign in with email. Now, I have already signed up my account. After signing up your account, the Medium looks like this. This is how the UI of Medium looks like. Now, for writing a blog, you have to click on the right icon on the top right side corner of the screen. After clicking on it, a white screen will option. You can see here you have to write the title of your blog and your story. Now we have seen in many blogs that there are pictures, links, and many other things, but you can see there is nothing here. So first, for an example, let's write a title. This is just an example that I'm giving you. I will write a new exam blog for your example as an example for you later. And now let me first explain the elements, the main elements that are here. Now when we click on the plus button here, we can see that there are six options available. First, if you normally want to write, you can just click here and start writing. But if you want to add something, you can click on this plus button. Now, among the six options, the first one is add an image. By clicking on this option, you can import an image from your local host, from your computer to this blog. After that, the second option is add an image from Unsplash. You must have heard the name of Unsplash. It is a platform where you can get images for all sorts of things. Then after this, we can use add a video. We can add a video through this button. Now the fourth option is add an embed. Embed is like you can add your social media links or some important links here. The next option is add a new code block. Through this option, you can add a code like HTML code, CSS, JavaScript, or any other language. You can use the code block. Last option is the add a new part. You must have seen in a blog that there are multiple parts in it. So if you click on add a new part, it adds a new part like these three dots represent that a part has ended and you can add a new part here. We don't need it for now, so I will after clicking on the backspace, that thing is deleted and we get back to where we are. First of all, we will add an embed. As I told you, we can use different embed content from other sites. So I will use some social links like Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, or you can use many more if you want. After adding these, you can click on enter. I will show you later how to add backlinks on these Instagram or in these social media handles so that whenever someone click on it, that directly redirects them to the page that you linked these words with. Now let's pick up an image. For now, let's pick up an image from Unsplash. So we will write some keywords to get our image. Like we write Web3 and press enter. So you can see we can get many images from Web3. Let's choose any one of them. So we got this. We can remove the caption that has already been given. We can add a caption if we want, but this is an optional. So will just skip it. We will press enter, and as you can see, we got a new thing place. Now here we can write whatever we want. So as you can see, we can write whatever we want here. Now after writing, we can add a heading. So if we want to write an heading, it must be seen it must be seen differently from others. So we will select this and from this bold tag we can bold it, or from this we can increase its font. So now you can see we have an heading. Now after adding enter once again, we can add other content that we want to add. Okay, now I have explained all the elements that are necessary for writing a blog. So let's write a blog. Now, first of all, what we have to do is click on the right button. I have a blog ready for this, so I will just copy paste from there. So the title of our blog will be how to write a blog with backlinks, and just what the video is about. After adding this, we will add some embeds like we did previously. Let's add some social media handles of Hrrkoin. So we will add Telegram. This will be redirecting to the Telegram group that we have. Next, let's add Twitter and Instagram and Discord. And as you can see, these are the social media links that Hrrkoin have right now. We can add all of these or some of these. So I will add only this much to show you how to post and do the rest of the things. Now I will add an image. I have a image saved for this in my local host in my computer, so I will just add that. Now after adding it, there I don't think there is any need for a caption. So we will go to next by entering enter. After pressing enter, I have this content. I'll just copy and paste it here. So now, as you can see here, now what we need is a heading. So let's get a heading. First press enter, then copy the heading. It is already bold from there. Now press enter to enter our text. I am copy pasting because I have already prepared a blog. If you don't haven't prepared a blog, you can write one there, or you can prepare one blog before and doing all these, and then you can also just copy and paste here. Now we will prepare another heading. Let's just paste it. As you can see, it is already in bold, so no need to modify. Now comes the other content. Now we have another heading. We will just copy it and paste it, then enter. Just like this, we will keep adding the content, heading and content. For most of the blogs, if you want to write a good blog, you must have at least 850 words. If you can add thousand up to 1,000 words, it would be great. But adding up to at least minimum 850 words is a must to make your blog better, and it shows on Google well, Google too. For in SEO, it's easy. For other things, I will copy. I will complete the blog by copying and pasting. Now you can see here that we have these dots that mention we have to write a point. I will tell you how to write it in the Medium post. So for this, we will first press Shift Enter. If we press Enter normally, it gives this much big of a gap. But if we use Shift before entering, doesn't give that much of a gap. If we normally press Enter, it means we are changing the para. But if we use Shift plus Enter, it's just we are changing the line. Okay, so first we will write star, and if we give a space after it, the star will become the period. It's like this. No, so for the star making a period, you have to start a new paragraph. So star and enter, and you got this point. So now we will add this para. Now you can see that these words are blue. So these are blue because they already have a backlink added to them. I will show you later how to add the backlink after I have completed this blog. Now, as you can see, after I press enter, after a period, another dot appears itself because it already knows that we are writing in these periods. So now you can see that we have come to the conclusion of the blog. So now we have to write a heading, but there is a period. So we can just press backspace and come out of it. We will write our heading, and the blog is hence completed. Now I will show you how to create backlinks in the blog. Now for creating backlinks, let's first come to the top at the Telegram. First we will copy the Telegram's link. I will copy the link. Yeah, I copied the link address. Then I will double click Telegram, or we can say select the Telegram. Click on this chain button. This chain button means add a link. This is bold, italic, add a link, heading, a normal text. We can add things in quotes. This is text, or this is comment or something. So by clicking on the chain, we can add a link. But I will paste that link here and see the Telegram got an underline, which is the backlink. Now similarly, I will do the same with Twitter. I will first click here, copy the Twitter's link and paste it here in the chain in add a link. Similarly, in Instagram, getting the link from here, copying the link, and then add a link. It's here. Now Discord, here, copy, and here is the Discords. Now, similarly, for increasing the view count or in promoting your channel, some of the best things is that you have to add backlinks in middle of your article or your blog. If you have these backlinks, which are also sometimes called hyperlinks, if you have them in your blog, then you can increase their views as they are shown at many places, and it is easy to promote them. So this will be the end of the blog. If you after this you will click on publish, I will be adding some more backlinks before publishing it. If you click on publish, you can publish the this. This is the preview image that will be shown. This is the image that we added. So these are all the things that will go after you can publish now or schedule it for later. If you publish now, it will be published right away. If you schedule for later, you can schedule it for a particular time or date. At that time, it will be posted automatically. No need for you. You can use this feature when you have a time where you have to post it, but you think that you are not available for that time. Then you can use this feature and schedule it for that time. Okay, that's all you need to learn to write a successful blog. And don't thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Also, subscribe to our content channel for such content.